Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a request to make this purse, which is to be attached to a leather tote bag. So let's get right into the video. For the measurements, we're going to be working with 11 inches by 7.5 inches. Next, we're going to be creating an opening for the zipper. Measure 1 inch from the top downward and mark it down. Then you also have to get the middle, fold into two and draw a line across. Mark out the middle and draw a straight line downward. Once you're done with that, measure 2.5 inches starting from the middle line. Measure 2.5 inches, then draw a straight line across. Then from the top line, measure 1/2 inch downward. That would form a rectangle, so divide that rectangle into 2 equal parts. Then from the edge, measure 1/2 inch. From that 1/2 inch, form a triangle on both sides of the rectangle by drawing a straight line from the 1/2 inch down to the corners of the rectangle. Then use a razor blade to create a hole in the middle so that we can use a scissors to cut it open. Apply gum, then leave it to dry for a bit. After that, you open them and gum them together. So now I'm placing the zipper in a position where I want it to be. Then I'm also securing it with a super glue so that when I'm sewing it won't move. Then I'll take to my sewing machine and sew it down. Get a piece of leather 3.5 inches by 1 inch. Then draw a straight line in the middle and fold both edges to meet at the middle. Then sew both of them. As usual, fold into two, then notch the middle. Then connect the two notched parts together, then sew the top. Sew it a little bit, then you attach this strap which we sewed earlier. Just watch carefully so that you understand how I placed it. So next, I'm going to be sewing up the sides. After sewing, the next step is to open the zipper and then turn it inside out. this is the final look, guys. So let me now show you how to attach it to the tote bag. Get a hook and a key holder, then pass this strap into the key holder. Remember, we made 2 straps, so the second one you have to attach it to the tote bag before you sew the top band. Yeah, you have to attach it before you sew the top band. So once you're done with that, pass the hook through the strap, and that's how you connect the small purse to the tote bag. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video.